Hey friend, if you're wondering what's Cardano's price prediction for June 2022, I have you covered. In this video, I'll cover what's Cardano's chart is telling you, whether to accumulate or to sell, to buy or sell. Is it time to accumulate? My price prediction for Cardano for the month of June 2022, and my fourth point, how to become a smarter investor. So if this sounds interesting to you, continue to watch. So here I am on Cardano's chart, and as always, we want to look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart here, we want to watch and look at the weekly chart because it gives us a big picture overview of the price and when to buy and when to sell. So if you're more of an investor, then you should definitely look at the daily chart and the weekly chart. Okay, so what is the chart telling you right now? It does seem that Cardano is in the territory of accumulation. That means that the Cardano is oversold. So for those who don't know, whenever RSI, the relative strength index, is above here, it's right here, above the 75% line, it means it's overbought, and that means usually is like the smart money is selling their coins. So you can see right here how the price has dropped 77%, right? And when the RSI is low, like around below 25, so around here, hovering around here, that's the time to accumulate. So you can see how the price has dipped to the low of let's see here, of 2 cents, and then it pumped all the way to $3, $2.70. So so the RSI on the weekly chart is extremely powerful, and we always, as investors, we always look at regions of overbought right here, meaning we should sell, and oversold, meaning people have already sold all their coins, so you buy it at a steep discount. All right, okay, so right now the chart is telling you that you should buy. All right, I'm not saying to buy right now, because usually what happens in the crypto market, especially during bear market, is that altcoins usually drop from the all-time high anywhere from 90 to 95%, and as you can see right now, it did drop 85%. So the next drop, the next major support for Cardano is at 0.15, so at 15 cent. So you can see that if it drops from 50 to 15 cent, that's a 94% drop, and that would be in line with the usual drop of altcoins during a bear market. So what usually happens if it does drop another let me see here, if it does drop another 77% from here down here, that would be then the RSI could go down here lower, and that would be extreme oversold, and that would be an amazing time to buy. So if it drifts down like this lower, but of course you can't time the market perfectly. You don't know you don't know if it's extreme low. That's why you dollar cost average in, so you buy a little bit, so you have the best price, so you average down and have the best price of it going down. All right, so is it time to accumulate? Another thing you want to look out for is this website called Alt Season Index, and Alt Season Index is a very good chart to tell you when to accumulate altcoins. So you look at the chart, there's altcoin season and Bitcoin season. So when the line goes above the altcoin season, that's when you should be selling, and when the line goes beneath and it's below here, below the Bitcoin season line, that means you should be buying, right? Okay, so you see here how in April and May 2021, when it was a top right here, when it was signaling that the market's too hot, that you should be selling. Well, look back in April and May for Cardano, April and May, that's when you should have been selling, because you should have sold here, because it did move up a bit more, and then it dropped, it plummeted, right? So this website called blockchaincenter.net or you can type in Google alt season index. It will have this chart for you, and this is a very, very, very handy chart for investors. So there's enough data points in this chart that you can look to see that whenever it's below here, below this area region, you can buy altcoins, and when it's overheated up here, you can sell. It's very simple, but it works. And of course, it takes a lot of patience too, because sometimes this area should be a good area for accumulation, but it could drop a bit more. That's why I told you what I see as the next major support for Cardano at 0.15 cent, and you can like dollar cost average buy as it drops. But I do think that right now is a really good time to buy. Of course, this is not financial advice; it's educational purpose only. Because if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is also over. It looks like it has it's close to bottoming out, because the RSI is close to the levels of the March 2020 crash. So Bitcoin on RSI is extremely oversold too. All right. So, and it does look like Bitcoin is struggling to get up. So maybe it will go up and altcoins bounce, because it's extremely rare for Bitcoin to have 9 weeks of red candles. So I do see Bitcoin having some sort of relief bounce, meaning it goes up because nothing goes down forever. All right. Okay. I have a concise trading course that you can watch on YouTube, so you learn how to trade with confidence. And I do have a private premium Telegram channel where I make weekly market updates, and I give you my thoughts on the market, what coins to buy, what coins to sell, when to sell, and my overall strategy when it comes to investing in crypto. And also in the group, you can ask me any questions you would like, and I always give an in-depth answers to your questions. So yeah, if you would like to join, feel free to message me on Telegram. It's in the video description. And thank you so much for watching.